Up next, Chadwick Boyd debuts Front and Center's Real Food, where we take movie themes and turn them into new creations in the kitchen.
Hey movie fans, I'm Chadwick Boyd with Front and Center's Real Food. I just saw Bridget Jones' Baby and The Magnificent Seven. One's a little sweet, the other one's got some kick. It inspired me to get in the kitchen with the cool kids of the grocery store. Sriracha, any brand will do, coconut oil, delicious golden honey, and some fresh ginger. Mix it all up, it's that simple, and I've got a spicy, sweet dipping sauce that I know you're gonna love. After the break, I've got a recipe just for you. Hey everyone, welcome back to Real Food. I'm Chadwick Boyd. We're talking spicy and sweet, inspired by the movies. For you movie fans in the Northeast, we're doing chicken wings for game day that are super easy to make. I went to the grocery store and picked up a couple pounds of wings. Got some kosher salt and I give it a good healthy dose. Remember that sauce we made? I'm gonna pour half of it on top, just like this, and then give it a really good toss. I'm gonna throw these in the oven for about 40 to 45 minutes and boom, they come out golden and delicious, just like that. That spicy ginger flavor and honey, oh, it smells so delicious. I like to finish these with my favorite extra sharp white cheddar cheese and fresh cilantro. And that extra sauce we made, it's great for dipping. You can find me and this recipe on Facebook and Twitter at Chadwick Boyd. Thanks for watching Front and Center's Real Food. Enjoy your movie.